Hey everybody, how's it going today? I am going to go over in this video the GPT Store. It was announced last week and it just opened today. There could be a lot of really interesting things in here, and also it's going to be really fascinating to see how people actually make money from these things, because a lot of the people that I speak to, they don't even pay for Chat GPT. And the only way I think you can use these GPTs is by being a paid customer. So it will be interesting to see how many people actually sign up for a membership to use these GPTs. But let's dive right in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ben, and I come from the film and television world as well as advertising. But my main focus has really been making AI a lot more accessible for creatives and creators, trying to help give them superpowers. And a lot of the GPTs that people are making, I think, should really help with that. So let's dive in and see what this is all about. When you come to Chat GPT, you see a new button is there, and it says Explore GPTs. I'm going to click on it, and when you do, this new page comes up, and it has a ton of GPTs. Up here on the top, it talks about what different types they are, and it groups them into top picks. DALL-E, which is OpenAI's image generator, writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming, education, and lifestyle. So I'm just going to go over the interface right now, and then what I'm going to do after that is I'm really going to dive into a lot of these GPTs, and I am going to single out the ones that I like the best, and I'll present that in a different video. But this is just to show you that the store is out, and this is how it looks and what you can do to use it. So if I come up here and I say, okay, I want writing, it gives me a list of writing ones right here. It says, looks like some are already being used. Over 1,000 conversations, over 600 plus. So people have obviously been sending this out to other people, and that is really showing the user engagement. And I'm pretty sure that is what people are going to monetize off of, how many users are actually using it, because that is how people are going to be paying ChatGPT to use it. And those are the people that you are going to basically get memberships from. So that is how they are going to distribute the wealth. So if you come up here, you have a professional writing coach, AI content detector. That's pretty interesting. All around writer, research writing page. If I wanted to get more into production, I can look here, and it has a virtual first AD, director, accelerate audio, a music teacher. I can go into advertising, and then it shows me an advertising executive, brand content generator, advertising assistant, your meta ad strategist, ad creator. So this is going to be really interesting, because a lot of tools that you would just have to call somebody to say, hey, how do you do this? Or, hey, I want to brainstorm something new. You should be able to just come to this and get a quick brainstorm. Obviously, I personally would really like to talk to another person because I like to collaborate. I'm going to see how well this collaborates with you. Now, there are going to be two different types of GPTs. There's going to be those that people literally just talk to GPT and then they make them, and then ultimately that's it. And there's no additional knowledge base added to it. And then there's going to be others that are a bit more proprietary, and they're going to be uploading hundreds of documents that it can actually reference. So for instance, if you look at the Canva GPT, this one is actually the business Canva. It says it effortlessly designs anything: presentations, logos, social media posts, more. I need a logo for my hamburger restaurant called the Monkey House. Let's see what it does. Hello, excited to bring you your visions to life. Start your creative journey with Canva. What will we design together today? A logo for your hamburger restaurant, the Monkey House. Sounds like a fun project. Could you tell me a bit more about your restaurant style or any specific elements you'd like to see in the logo? We are fun, hence the name, and we have a great sense of humor. We like good food and don't want it to seem just like fast food. It is a faster food restaurant, but I want it to seem a bit more gourmet. All right, let's see what it does. It's asking me if I can allow it to access my Canva account. I said yes. Great, here are some logo templates for the Canva library that might align with the Gourmet the Monkey House. These designs can be customized. Canva better to match your specific vision, including adjusting colors. Okay, let's see what it does. Monkey gaming. Okay, monkey hip hop music store. Okay, so I see what it's doing. Monkey business. And then you can go to Canva and start designing. That's interesting. So I'm going to come back to the store. That's Canva. Let's see what some of these other ones do. Okay, I'm going to look at, let's go back to advertising. And then I want to add creator. Create visual content, advertising materials, and social media images. Why don't I use, I have a restaurant called Monkey House. We sell hamburgers and have a great sense of humor. I need social media posts for all of my networks. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Let's see what it does. So right now it's creating an image. I don't know where it's creating it from. So with these GPTs, you can actually align with API calls. And so they could be using API calls to any software. So I guess the real thing is what's going to make the best image. And then that's going to connect, I guess, with what we get from this. So it might be DALL-E. It might have been Midjourney. I have no idea. Because it's not telling me that. It's creating an image. That's kind of fun. Here's the advertisement image for your restaurant, Monkey House. It's designed to align with your humorous and playful theme, featuring a cartoon monkey chef. For your social media posts across Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, here are 3 creative text suggestions. Join the fun at Monkey House. Our burgers aren't just delicious, they're a barrel of laughs. It's okay. Feast your eyes on the wildest burgers in town. Swipe right for peek into our kitchen's monkey business. Hungry for humor? Get your paws on our juicy burgers and laugh out loud at Monkey House. Remember, these are, like, I actually don't mind that. Obviously, the text is off, so I wonder if it is using an old version of Midjourney or something. But that could be fixed. I could just take that into Canva. Overall, I think it's kind of interesting. And what's going to be fascinating is these are just examples of what it can be. I mean, it's going to get better. But then a creative designer could take this and say, oh, I like this or I don't like this. When you get into research and analysis, a designer GPT creates and hosts beautiful websites. Ask the Code, WebGPT. Obviously, this can take so long to go through, and I know a lot of people are probably going to be going through this now. MBA admission consultant, helping you get into the business school of your dreams. Profile reviews, school application guide, applications. That's interesting. Well, I am going to spend a little time going through all of these GPTs. I just wanted to dive into a few and show you what's out there. and I'm excited to curate them. And I put out another video called my AI Toolbox, and in that AI Toolbox, I have a section for GPTs and chatbots. That's where I'm going to start curating my favorite chatbots. So if you go to that and keep an eye on that, I'm going to tell you when it's updated, and I'll be putting my best there, and I'll make a video on them as well to show you what some of the best ones are. So I look forward to diving in and keeping you guys updated. Talk soon.